Hello folks and welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna bring you something different. So before that, thank you very much for the views and the likes and the subscribes from the previous video, the fast API how to contribute stuff. I was pretty happy about it. So I hope people would continue to like the things that I am bringing. And now what I want to bring is a series of videos, so not only this one but some videos that I'm gonna talk about Pydantic V2, but in a way that I wanted to show specific things that have changed from V1 to V2. So I thought about creating this series of videos kind of one each day or maybe one each 3 days or something like that. So this is gonna be the first one, and then I'm gonna bring you the other ones. Hope you like it. If you do, please write some comments. It really makes me happy. So I really appreciate them. But anyway, let's go to the video because I don't want to make long videos. I think short videos are nice. So anyway, let's start with importing a base model. Let's call this model A. We're gonna have this model. So the thing that I'm gonna show you is when you had these several models and you wanted to reuse the same validator. So for example, let's define here a fake validator that's going to receive a value. Let's say typing any, and then it's going to return typing any, and it's just going to be the it's not going to do anything. So let's just import typing here. Should be fine. And then we're gonna validate A, so validate A. And the way you do it in Pydantic is that you'd import this validator, right? Validator, I want to validate the field A, and I want to call fake validator. Okay, so if I do this, should work, but let's also create a model. So if I create a model, everything works, everything's fine. I'm gonna even print it so you can believe me. Yeah, perfect. So this was fine. But the thing is, if I wanted to create another one, so I want to create another model and use the same validator, I guess here I already have the issue. Yeah, so what happened is that I would receive this message, duplicate validator function. If this is intended, set allow reuse. So this was something that happened all the time, I guess. Some people could like face this all the time. So let's try to see it. Okay, it works. If I do print B and then I do this, should also, oops, I need to add another one. Yeah, now it works. But the thing is, I had to add this allow reuse. And now, well, and the reason why this happened is that there was a mapping to the, so the validator function was being mapped, if I'm not mistaken, with the fully qualified name. So the fully qualified name of fake validator would be the one that was there, but let me see. So this is the fully qualified name of that. So I'm running this. So this is being called the main module with the fake validator function. And the thing is, when you reused the same name, then Pydantic would raise the error. So you had to use allow reuse through. This is, I believe, it was to avoid some mistakes. But then this is not needed anymore on Pydantic V2. So I am just gonna change the environment. I'm gonna go to V2. I'm gonna also change all my VS Code Pydantic series V2. So let's see what's the output, because I haven't tested this before. Why do I have this issue? Okay, let's see if this works. So this is actually working. It's just that we have these deprecation warnings, but it is working. Okay, so if I do this, I can see that I have A1, A2. a B2, B1, but I don't need the allow reuse here. Okay, and as you see, the deprecation warning is Pydantic V1 validator is deprecated. So Pydantic V1 style validators are deprecated. You should migrate to Pydantic V2 style field validator. See migration guide for more details. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you real quick here what you should be doing. So field validator is that field validator, and here field validator. Is this gonna work? Yeah, this works. So you just need to change the name and it works as expected. Yeah, so this is good. There have been several renames, and the reason for that is mainly to make more sense on the naming. So we have also model validator. So having the same name validator for two things would have been a bit confusing. So, and also we have model serializer, we have field serializer, which I'm gonna talk in another video. So for today it's only this. I wanted to show you that allow reuse is not needed anymore on Pydantic V2. I am pretty happy with this change, and I hope you are as well. So please give me subscribe and all those stuff, likes, and share with your friends, so it makes me really happy. I'm gonna post this now, and yeah, see you tomorrow or the day after. Let's see how to stop this. Yeah, here.